Hello to all. We will today learn Unit 27 Compound Words of Gregg Shorthand Book Anniversary Edition Chapter 9 page 116. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful in any way. Anyway, let's start. The first is anybody. First word is anybody. Second, anyone, anyone. Anyone, anywhere, anywhere, anyhow, 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 anyway, anyway. Anyhow will be written like anyhow. Second, before, beforehand, behind hand, belong, beside, besides. Okay. Third one, starting third, whatever, whenever, whichever, however, whoever, no, it is not whoever, everybody, everyone, everywhere. Now fourth, hereafter, herein, after, herein, before, hereon, hereto, heretofore, hereunto, herewith. The fifth, thereafter, therein, therefore, therefrom, thereon, thereto, thereupon, therewith. Sixth, whereabouts, whereas, wherever, wherefore, wherein, whereof, whereon, whereon, elsewhere. Seventh, whatsoever, wheresoever, whensoever, whosoever, whomsoever. Eighth, somebody, somehow, someone, sometime, somewhat, somewhere. Ninth, within, with stand, forth, with, not with standing. Okay, let's check. Anybody, anyone, anywhere, anyhow, 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 anyway. And then before, behind, beforehand, behindhand, belong, beside, besides. Okay. And then third, whatever, whenever, whichever, however, whoever, everybody, everyone, everywhere, hereafter, herein, herein for, here before, herein before, hereon, hereto, herefore, hereinto, herewith, thereafter, therein, therefore, therefrom, thereon, thereto, thereupon, therewith. Now we have whereabouts, whereas, wherever, wherefore, wherein, whereof, whereon, elsewhere, whatsoever, wheresoever, whensoever, whosoever, whomsoever. Then we have somebody, somehow, someone, sometime, somewhat, somewhere, within, withstand, forthwith, notwithstanding. Irregular compounds 203. Meanwhile, MNIE, otherwise UTHIE, thanksgiving, thanksgiving. We have $5 sign. $5 in Gregg Shorthand will be written like this. But if we have rupee 5, we will write it as rupee 5 or 5. 500 will be written like this. 500 will be like this. 500 rupee will be like this. $500. $500 will be like this. 500 rupee will be like this. 5,000 will be like this. $5,000 will be like this. 5,000 rupee will be like this. 500,000. It is 5 million. 5 million. If we get 5 crore, mostly in dictations, Indian dictation we have 5 crore, not 5 million. So 5k, 5 crore. $5 million will be like this. 5 pounds will be like this. 5 pounds. $500 pounds, 5,000 pounds, 500,000 pound, 100,000 pound, and then 5 gallons, 5 barrels, 5 brussels, 5 feet, 5 new. Okay, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, 500 feet, a dollar, a pound, a million, a gallon, per hundred, several hundred dollar, $1,000, few $1,000, 100,000. Okay. $8.50, 8.50 dollar will be written like 850 above the line. Then 5 cent, 5%, 5% per annum, 5% per annum. Keep all these four in mind. They will be helpful in dictation. Thank you for watching.